Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TTNP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And it's hard to see, but today was actually a solid day. And the reason it's hard to see is because of this crazy movement. It's sort of distorting the proportions on things. So what I'm going to do here is actually get these levels out of here. So that way you can make it and see it a little bit better. So there we go. That makes things a lot better. So what makes this a very interesting setup going forward? Well, this action right here. Now, there's the big movement down, and the price leveled out right there. The price bounced back upwards, and then it rolled back over again, meaning there was some weakness that showed up. But the question at that point became, okay, well, is this the start of a much bigger move to the downside? Is this thing just going to roll right back over and go back to where it was? Or what exactly is going to occur there? And the market gave us the answer, and the answer was, well, no, it just put in a low right there before starting to recover to what was, quite frankly, a very nice final 30 minutes. I mean, it's not like it was a massive volume, but still respectable volume. And then you got the nice green candle. So my point here is twofold. The first is, well, the price was able to build some higher lows. So that's reason number one. And then reason number two is what happened during the final 30 minutes with the volume and the green candle. Now, don't get me wrong. And I wish I could say trading was this easy where I could sit here and say that, well, because it put in higher lows and because the last 30 minutes was really, really powerful, this thing is guaranteed to continue to bounce all the way back upwards and, probably, go all the way up there and test 35 cents, that level of resistance. If only trading were that easy. Now, is all of this at least rational? Is it at least logical to think about? Absolutely. Case in point, let's just say that right now, the chart looks something like this, where it's just going straight down. And I'm sitting here talking about all this. Oh, hey, it's looking like there could be some strength. You'd be totally justified to say, what are you talking about? Based on what? The price is literally going straight down. But that's not the case here, right? The price has demonstrated some attributes of strength, as I've talked about. So it becomes, again, a guarantee of nothing, but at least it's a valid and rational thought to throw out there. So let's see if the price can continue to build upon this nice little movement and not necessarily go straight up to 35 cents on Thursday, but let's see if this, if the price, like I said, can start to build upon this nice little bounce that's happened. So looking like Thursday is going to be very interesting. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.